Audio Jungle.
I am the one for you. I'm the one. I'm the one. Another one. Another one.
Yes, welcome on board with Mugalu the car guy at YouTube. I load these videos up on YouTube at 9 a.m. every Saturday, so you can follow me up and check what's up. So this is how you need to maintain a car. The body is a must. You see it's very clean and it's a USZ car. Number plate, that's the driving license. So you have to ensure the body has no scratches. The tires and the rims are very clear of dust and mud. Of course, we are going to go into the interior of this car so that we can see what's really happening and how we need to take care of it very well. And now we're going to go inside so that we can be very informed about how the car has to be taken good care of. So let's get inside so that you can see how the seats, the center console and other things can be worked upon. There we go. The interior, it's very clear. As you can see, the dashboard is clean, the glove box cover is clean, the steering wheel is clean. You can see the leather is very clean and the center console at large is really clean. I guess you can see at the extreme of the side mirror it's also clean. So you need to pay attention to that. You know, a clean car really gives you an identity, and really you need to pay attention to that. Hey, there are cars really you enter and really smell very bad. Now, what does that mean? It means that the car owner doesn't give a damn about the smell of the car. So really there are car refresheners and very good. There are some Shell car refresheners. There are other non-branded car refresheners which can really give a good scent of your car. And really you can see at the bottom where the passenger puts the seat, it's also very clean. You shouldn't clean this center console where there is a gear selector, the radio, the AC control systems with water. Really it's not good because the electronics can be really affected severely and it could cost you a fortune, and really you should pay close look to that. You can look at the glove box is really clean. You should clean with a cool face towel, and you shouldn't clean the odometer reading where you can see those gauges are. You shouldn't clean with water also within that point, really, because it will be damaged. When we go to the driver, the rear view mirror for the driver, really it has to be clean and adjusted whenever you're going to drive, really, so that you can have a good visibility at the rear and all other road users. A windscreen really has to be also clean, and to ensure that the wiper blades are really clean. Thank you.